Previously, we have done 1-30, we're going to do 1-31. And it's our final, lesson in this category, which is less than 370. So let's not get too cocky. So 1-31 is going to be volume of cubes and rectangular prisms. So let's get to it. Here we go. Well, let's learn with the example. What is the volume? We're given 2, 2, and 2. And we're going to be solving for cubic feet. And the volume of a cube we know is volume equals to side times side times side. So it'll be 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Now that we realized that, let's go to our real deal. We're asked, what is the volume? So we all know that the volume is equal to LWH. It's real ludicrous to do capital letters above everything. So let's get to it. To find the volume, you have to multiply all three sides. So if we know that 1 times 0.7 equals to 0.7 and 0.7 times 5 is equal to 3.5. We can easily prove that due to multiplying with decimals, we can easily prove that is 3.5. But if it were real numbers, it'd be 35, but that's not smart. It says with the decimal right here, so let me just underline that. So if you want to maximize your opportunity for getting this correct, you gotta do it like this. So I'm going to say that is 3.5 cubic yards. Here we go, let's check if it's correct or erroneous. Yeehaw! We know it worked! That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we will see you on part 2. Sorry about my stammering, but anyway, au revoir! An idea that's going to keep coming on as we study geometry in SAT math is the volume of cubes and rectangular prisms. So this is our second part, which means it's our intro. So let's get to it. The volume of this rectangular prism is 16.0 cubic feet. But what is the value of n? So we're asking what is the value of n? So in this scenario, it's 3.2 on this side and then 5 on this side. Now we know that the volume is equal to WHL or LWH, which way you want to do it. But for W, it is equal to V over H times L. So in this scenario, it's going to be 16 over 3.2 times 5. We did the math here in the decimal form. Let me just draw an arrow here. And then we got 16.0. So if we can convert that to a whole number without the decimal, it would be 16 divided by 16. And you could do it with decimals if you want, but I like doing it at an equal pace, so you know what I mean. So moving on, we get none other but uno. 1. Let me guess. Like that. So I'm going to say that it is 1. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we will see you on part 3. Au revoir. Okay guys, this is part 3, so let's get to this. Let's finish this unit with a bang. The volume of this rectangular prism is 504 cubic feet. What is the value of J? We're given 12, 7, and then J. To find J, all you have to do is just do 12 times 7, which is equal to 84. Then 504. Okay, again, 504 divided by 84. So I'm going to draw an arrow to represent them. This one here is what's inside. This one is on the outside. Sorry for my stammering. moving on. 504 divided by A4 is equal to 6 because there's a 0 here, so we do the math and then 0 again because A4 is not divisible by 50 or 5. But 504, we have our real deal, which is 6. So I'm going to say that it is 6. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go! Yeehaw! We know it worked! Impressive! You have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. Win more prizes, keep practicing. And yes, I did show my work. So, yeah. Oops. That's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So, we will see you on the very next video. So in this term, it's going to be our second unit, which is right here. Okay? Hasta luego!